not started. Okay, now look at this. This is my list, and your question is you have to fetch all the integers from this list. So what is your first logical thinking? You have to first of all think about how can I fetch individual numbers, these numbers, and this is my complete one number because you know what is nested list, right? Now after thinking of this, simply you can print if type of my I, that means if type of my this individual numbers of this list L is equal to integer, then simply print I. That means if my data type of these individual numbers are number, so you have to print it. Now there is another problem. What? There is one inside nested list. So how can we fetch that nested list? So first of all, you have to think that what is data type of this list. So you will write again next code for it. That is if type of I is equal to list. So then you are able to fetch this list, and then you have to write again new code for fetch individual elements for this list. So you will write for num if type of for num in I. That means this is your I. Sorry. Yes. This is complete my I. That is explaining I am here. This is complete my I from here to here. All this, right? Now what I have to do? I have to fetch individual numbers from this. What is name of this list now? I. So I have to fetch individual numbers from this I. So I will simply write code for I in num in I. Then I will able to fetch all these individual elements. Now again I have to check there is a data type of num is integer or not, because I have to print only integer numbers, right? So first of all you have to write this code and you have to practice all this code. Okay, you have to 5 times 10 times you have to run this code by without watching this code. This one. सॅटर्डेला जाल तुम्ही ऑफिसमध्ये? हो. हा, वरती पायथॉन. हा हा. कुठे करताय? अच्छा. नाही नाही, माझा इंटरव्ह्यू तर ऑनलाईनच असेल असं म्हणतोय मी. ऑनलाईन. परत एकदा सांगतोय तुम्हाला, उद्या परवा 2 दिवस क्लास मी ऑनलाईन घेणार आहे फक्त. ठीक आहे. इथे तुम्ही आता पाहिले तर तुमचा पोर्शन आता वाढत जात आहे. ठीक आहे. तर तुम्ही जर याची प्रॅक्टिस केली तरच तुम्हाला याचे बेनिफिट्स मिळणार आहे. तुम्ही जर फक्त इथे येऊन कोड करतायत, घरी जाऊन त्याची प्रॅक्टिस नाही येत करत, तर तुम्ही या लावलेल्या कोर्सचा काही उपयोग नाही. कारण का, मी तुम्हाला काय सांगितलं होतं फर्स्ट लेक्चर मध्ये, की तुम्हाला फक्त इथे तुमचे जे काही पुढचे 5 महिने असतील, 6 महिने असतील, ते इथे द्यायचे आहेत. जर जेवढा जास्तीत जास्त टाइम तुम्ही इथे देचाल, तेवढे तुमचे फ्युचर ब्राईट असणार आहे. एवढी गोष्ट लक्षात ठेवा. ओके. Completed? Okay. Now let's take another logical question. Uh, we have already list like this. Okay. Then let's add few elements inside this list now. Okay. And change the name of this list to A. And I am going to add more names here. New. Okay. Now these are my names, right? This is my list A. Now what I have to do? First of all, I have to fetch only uh, I have to fetch only string dataset from this dataset, and that string dataset I have to append in empty list. What is my question? First of all, I have to fetch only string dataset. That means whichever here names are available, and that names I have to append in inside one empty list. Okay. Now let's say this is my empty list K, and I have to append all the strings inside this K list K. So can you do this or not? First of all, try, then let me know if you are able to do or not. Did? Yes. That is showing in your new list. Okay. That empty list. Okay. Online, if you are able to do, share your answer in your comment box. I hope you understood my question. What you have to do. This should be shown in this list. Okay. First of all, slice it. How can you fetch it? Online, Anyone can do this, or should I show answer? Tell me. Coming or not? Okay. Let's see here. First of all, first of all, you have to focus on your thinking. How can you slice this question? So first of all, I have to fetch individual data. So first of all, I will write code like this for I in A. Now, if type of I is equal to str, so what you have to do? First of all, we can print that I. So this is showing me John and new. First of all, let's focus on this John and new. Then we will see how to add this part also. Okay. Now, after this part, that means I am able to fetch these elements whose data type is string. Now, simply I have to add this data set into K. So how can I add it? I can add it by K dot append I. Now we executed it once. Okay. Now we are able to fetch this. Now, can you write down code for this data? Can you write down code for this data? Try it. Try it.
Yes, sir.
Return. So do it. Do it. Don't tell me. First of all, get answer and let me know after your answer. Online, you have to also show me your answer. Okay. You are not responding.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, have you got your answer or not? Tell me. Not. Look at this. Let's first of all see what is my data set. It is inside A, right? Yeah, it is inside A. Now look what we have to do. First of all, same code for I in A if type of I is equal to string. Simply what you have to do, first of all, print that I, then k dot append what I. Now there is my next code, elif elif type of I is equal to list. Then
List.
what you have to do, you have to start fetching individual elements from this list. So now code for this, for uh, items in I, where in I. Now these are my individual items from this list I, and now I have to check if type of items. Okay, if type of items is equal to string, then print I, and then uh, k dot append, right? Now where? Okay, and now my k is this. Now again I am keeping my k as a empty list, because this k is having this two values. So again I have to remove this values and I have to keep my k as now empty. Okay, now let's see what will happen, and let's see what is our k now. Yes, we can take any name there. I'm just showing any names because these are my items inside this I. Yeah, you can take anything there.
Got it, sir. Some
Sorry, online what?
got it, sir. थोडं कन्फ्युजन होतं, क्लिअर झालं.
Let me open my laptop speaker. Yes, now tell me what you are saying.
Sir, got it.
Laptop. Got it?
या सर थोडं
Okay.
कन्फ्युजन होतं, क्लिअर झालं.
Okay, but this is simple logical thinking. And
Yes, sir.
Vaishnavi, you are doing code or not? Now this code is looking like big of 10 lines of code, but this 10 lines of code is just nothing but logical thinking. Got it? Now look, first of all, this is my for loop. Then inside this for, there is my first if condition. There is my next elif condition. Now this elif condition having nested for loop. Now this nested for loop having next if condition. And this if condition having print this value. But whenever you are writing this code, you will not think that this is much bigger code. What? This is simple logical thinking that if type of items is equal to string or not, I have to check it, right? It is string or not, right? Now, first of all, write down this code. Completed? Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. No issue. Now, first of all, write down this code, and I have to give you one more example from your side. Okay. I'm expecting answer of this from your side. Okay, I will upload this code to GitHub. So first of all, look, this is my names. Okay, now this names like what is your name? Vivek. Okay, Vivek. Then Rajat. Rajat. Then who is there? Another one online. Mohit, Rutuja, Vaishnavi. Mohit, Rutuja, Vaishnavi. Okay, I hope I haven't written your spelling wrong here. Okay, now what is your task? You have to first of all, uh, you have to first of all fetch this individual letters, and that individual letters you have to append in one empty list. Okay, letters is my empty list. What you have to do? You have to append individual letters from all these names. There is simple logical thinking for this code. You have to complete this code from your side and show me next next day. Okay, let me explain you again. You have to fetch letters of all names and append it in letters list. Letters list. Okay. Vivek. You have to append this individual letters. Now you have to complete this code from your side and tell me tomorrow. Okay, and we will see tomorrow on online mode. Okay, I am uploading this code on GitHub. 601. Okay, this is 601 upload file. Load. Okay, you can go through this file.